Here we are on claim number 3653V256W. It is 9/24/2023, 9:17 a.m., 72 degrees. Here's our shingle that was marked up for damage, you can see. So this is the one we're gonna go ahead and remove. We're gonna have to unseal all of these to get the fasteners out. One thing we do wanna see is that there's no granules that are coming off right now. So let's go ahead and get started. See that tear just happened trying to unseal it. I do want to show something here. Severe mat transfer they're sticking together. Same thing happened here on this. You can see the material dropping down. Let's go ahead and keep going. That mat transfer. All right. What's going on here? Stuck. Look at this. See how much mat transfer there is going on this roof here, like we showed earlier. Let's go ahead and grab that shingle, slide that sucker in. Right, now let's go ahead and look through this real quick. One thing first, see all the granules that are now falling off of this thing? That's pretty bad. So right here where it was, got the crease, got mat transfer right there on the bottom. Right there's another crease. That one's not too bad. This one's another crease. It's got a little mat transfer, not real bad. Here's another crease. It's got mat transfer, you can see right there. There's another crease on this one. This one also has this tear in it right here where it got torn. Whenever we're unsealing it, you can see it from the bottom side because of all that mat transfer. It tore it. Same thing here. Mat transfer again. You can see where it came all off. And then this one, obviously. So we have degranulation, mat transfer, tears, creasing. So when we fix this one, we damage these two. Due to that, this repair is a fail.